What's good, gang? Welcome back. It's another vlog. I'm in the same attires because it's the same day. I actually came down to the storage to put back the rear flares that I have for the car. As you guys see, it's the other one in the box there. And the fenders are there. I also have my bumper back there. And then we have the hardtop right here. So I got a lot of parts in this storage unit right now. It's crazy, like all these parts. I was saying to you guys in the video, like maybe 2 videos ago, how this, like these flares and everything was supposed to be done already. I was gonna do it when the fenders were here and everything was gonna be done at one time. Then I was gonna send the car off to get painted and everything like that. But being that, you know, this whole thing with the fenders and all that, we ain't gonna get into it, but you guys know what happened. I explained it already. It didn't fit as what it was supposed to, and now, you know, now I'm waiting on to getting on another set of fenders. Maybe I'll do circuit garage. That's what I'm thinking about going with, a circuit garage front instead. I might do another Jay's fender, but I'm not 100% sure. So it's either between doing another Jay's front or circuit garage, because when I had these fenders on the front of the car, I still wasn't clearing my wheels that I have now, and my stock fenders are actually clearing the wheels no problem. But with these, it had a hard time clearing it. So when it would air down, it would kind of like, you will hear the fiberglass kind of like wanting to crackle, so I'll stop it. So I think the circuit garage front end actually has more clearance because the Jay's fender is only 35 millimeters. And then, you know, you won't have to worry about like the fitment of everything, because the circuit garage, you kind of have to cut it out of the OEM fender and place it onto that. So it's either between that or going Jay's. But like I said, the aggressive look that I'm going for, I want all my wheels to be flush. I don't want to be cambered anymore. I want to have a nice dish. And, you know, I just want to make the S2000 as aggressive as I can, you know, with canards and everything like that. Then it's prepping it and setting it up to be boosted. That's the end game. That's the end goal. I want to be boosted, and I want to be able to track the car. That's what I want to do. I've been in the car scene. I hate saying car scene. I've been dealing with cars since like 2011, 2012. I'll say 2011 because that's when I graduated high school and that's when I got my first car. But I'll say that I really got into it in 2012. I've always been stanced. And, you know, it's fun, but it's like most people don't realize that I've been doing this for a long time. I had a couple people coming to me and be like, yo, I didn't even know you owned the Civic. I didn't even know you owned the RSX. I didn't know you owned blase blah. You know what I'm saying? They just know me for the S2000 now. But most of the people that's been following me from, you know, the start, they know that I had an RSX, they know I had a Civic, they know I had a BMW. The BMW is still here. My little brother just has it now. I gave it to him. Well, I sold it to him. And yeah. So I'm kind of getting tired of being stanced. I kind of just want to be more of on a Meteor tire setup, like a... I was looking at some wheel fitment specs, and I think I want to run like a 265/35. Yeah, I think it's 265/35. I'm not a... I gotta do my research again and check it again, but I think that's what it was. I want to run those kind of tire specs. I want to just have a nice grippy, nice, you know, perfect functional setup. Now I know a lot of people are gonna say like, well, you're bagged. Yeah, I'm bagged, but I can also run a nice functional setup and also air out and make it look as aggressive as possible. Like, the look I'm going for is still will be nice and flush, but it will also be slammed. You know what I mean? Like, I'm still gonna be slammed, just no camber. Everything's just gonna be nice. Everything, all tires are gonna be touching everything. That's how I want it to be. I know it might sound mumbo jumbo right now, but in my eye, in my vision, I'm seeing it. Like, I visually see it. Just like how I visually painted my S2000 to be the way it is now, I'm doing it the same way for this new setup that I'm going for. And I know it's not gonna happen overnight. I know it's not gonna be something that I'm just gonna wake up tomorrow and be able to do. You know, like I said, being in the car community, the car scene, the car game, whatever you guys call it, you know, you're gonna have hiccups like what I'm going through right now. You know what I mean? It took me a while to buy my first hardtop, which is carbon fiber. I love it. You know what I mean? I've been still on the fence with these rare flares because initially I thought I was gonna get a carbon fiber set, but it didn't come carbon fiber. But because I wanted to get carbon fiber to match the hardtop. So, you know, it's a lot of hiccups that happen, you know, when you're dealing with cars. Nothing ever goes as planned, but as long as you keep your eyes on that prize and you keep that vision, you'll always be able to achieve your goals. You know, so right now I'm just debating if I want to keep these flares or do I want to just like switch it up and do something different. Now, I know we keep talking about this subject about me going wide body, flaring it, and etc, etc. But this is what I want to do. This is what I like. You know what I mean? Me as a person, this is what makes me who I am. I just love doing things that I see perfectly fit for me. You know, when I look at a person's car, I look at that, it tells me a lot about them. You know what I mean? Like, if I see a person and they're doing things that other people are doing that I know that's not really their style, you can tell because the car doesn't suit them. You know what I mean? Like my car, I got the Recaro seats, you know, the red interior, the little here and there things that made it mine. That's what makes me who I am. That's why when we were at AutoCon and I was doing my video, I was saying to everyone that NSX, that's exactly how I would do mine, just bagged. You know what I mean? I love Recaros. I just love a simple look, but also aggressive. I don't need crazy things to make my car stand out. I just like for my car to be nice, clean, and neat. That's it. What do you think, Paul? We should flare it? You want to flare it? Nah, you like, I'm just chilling. I still got like Steelies. I still got my AP2 wheels. My S2000's an AP1. Still have the black carpet. I don't know if anybody wants my black carpet. I'm pretty sure nobody really cares for it. I still have my stock Civic trunk. Still got my stock passenger seat trunk. I'm thinking about putting the fender liner back in. I've just been too lazy to put it back in. But I just wish these fenders were, you know, the way it was supposed to be, because if it was, I definitely would have these on right now. You know, so I have a lot of parts in here and it's like, I really want to get everything on it now. I want to do it now, but I just know it's not perfect timing. Just like these, I've been having these rare hub bearings here for the longest, so that way I could switch them out because my wheel studs are like shot in the rear. I think like 1 or 2 is like no good, so I bought a whole like hub. I know, this guy. But you know, I just want to say, like, if you are passionate about something and you know you want to do something, no one can ever tell you otherwise, because you're doing what you love. I love doing what I do. I do these YouTube videos as a hobby, as most of you guys know. If you're new to the channel, I have a 9-to-5 job. I work every single day. You know, I wake up every morning at 8 o'clock, go to work, come back home, I vlog for you guys, video for you guys, edit, and then I put it out for you guys. And I just want to say, for those of you who've been rocking and watching me and watching the growth of the channel, I just want to say thank you. You know, hitting 10,000, it's a big deal, but it's like, I know I have a lot more to do. You know, sometimes I wish I could wake up and just be like, damn, this video went viral, or this video went here, or, you know, I'm at 100,000 subscribers, but it's like, you know, everything takes time. I'm not trying to rush the process, but it's like, you know, when you put a lot of hard work and time into something and you see it slowly progress, it also makes you feel good, but it's like, damn, you know, you see this person doing this well, or you see this person doing this well, and it's like, I want to be able to be on that level too. But I'm thinking about putting this video out too for you guys, just for the hell of it, because, you know, I ain't got nothing else to do. So if I do put it out, thank you guys for watching. Phyllis the K Squad, I'm out.
I can't ring, them little pointers tell me where you're going. Chopper sing like a Anita Baker. Hand around her neck when I fuck Undertaker. If my diamonds had a voice, it would sound like Fantasia. $2 million